Want to use Facebook and Messenger without anyone seeing when you're online? Here's how to turn off your active status in both apps. Let's start with Messenger. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings. Find and tap on Active Status. You'll see the option Show when you're active. Just turn that toggle off, then tap Turn Off to confirm. That's it. Your Messenger activity is now hidden. Now let's do the same on Facebook. Open the Facebook app and tap the three-line menu icon in the top corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap Active Status. Turn off Show when you're active, then confirm by tapping Turn Off. And you're done. Now you can browse Facebook and Messenger without showing when you're online. If this helped, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.